former Bamban, Tarlac mayor, last seen by the public in May, also appeared in a light and cheerful mood based on videos taken by Filipino reporters who went to Jakarta. In a photo that has gone viral, Gu could be seen sitting next to some National Bureau of Investigation, (NBI) personnel inside vehicle, with big smile on her face. In another photo, Gu was making peace sign next to SIS Chief Romel Marbil and DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos. Timeline: Alice Gu's secret escape from Delhi and arrest in Indonesia. The photos did not sit well with Hontiveros, who reminded government officials of Gu's alleged crimes in the Philippines. Isang paalala rin sa ating mga kasamahan sa gobyerno, hindi dapat ginagawang social event ang pag-aresto sa isang puganting sangkot sa patong-patong na kaso. Pinaglaruan ni Alice Gu ang mga batas ng Pilipinas, Hontiveros said on Friday. Hontiveros also lambasted Gu for treating her arrest as ET fan meet. Matapos niyang makipagtaguan sa batas, ginawa namang fan meet nitong si Alice Gu ang pagkakaaresto niya. Kulang na lang, red carpet. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya ka-photogenic sa hearing sa Lunes. Only pictures siya doon, the senator said. Villanueva blasts Gov employees taking photos with Alice Gu. Sen. Sherwin Gatchalian questioned the professionalism of the law enforcement personnel who took selfies with Gu, saying their agencies should not let this pass. Talagang hindi maganda na nagpapa-selfie at ipinopost pa sa social media ng mga enforcers ang pictures na kasama nila ang isang kriminal. Hindi pwede palagpasin ng mga enforcement agencies natin ang ganitong asal, Gatchalian said. Upon their arrival in the Philippines early morning Friday, Abalos addressed the criticisms on the photos. That's so unfair, isipin niyo with all of these efforts, nagpunta kami doon. Hindi namin alam kung may uwi siya and yet nakuha namin. Just because of one picture, ni hindi ako nakatingin, di ko alam ano pinaggagawa niya, malay ko ba na ganon itsura niya, Abalos said. Gu also admitted that she was happy in the presence of the Philippine government personnel because she felt safe. Kino-confirm ko po lahat ng sinabi ni Seki na may death threat po ako at humingi ako ng tulong sa kanila. Masaya din po ako na nakita ko po sila, I feel safe po, she said.